I think we can all agree that adverts suck. They're everywhere, in your browser, in most of your apps, behind the curtain, in the teapot, and even right behind you. But give me 5 minutes of your attention span, and I'll show you how to get rid of ads on YouTube, Spotify, and every other place where you can't see the website for the ads. And as a bonus, this even works for mobile. By the way, this method only works for your browser. I haven't figured out a way to do it system-wide, and if anybody knows how, please leave a comment. Right, if I don't stop blathering, then somebody's probably going to sue me for wasting their time. So let's dive into this. First, open your browser of choice. I use Firefox, and go to firefox.com. Click download. Why are we downloading Firefox? Well, we need the extension that's compatible with it. It's called uBlock Origin, and I've been using it for about 6 months, and I've seen almost 0 ads. No YouTube ads, no Spotify ads, and no disturbing imagery on random web pages. And best of all, it's completely free.
But Gremlin Venter, you say, what if I don't want to use a new browser?
Well, there is a version of it called uBlock Lite that's compatible with Google and Safari, but according to my sources, Reddit, it isn't as good. This person thinks it's 95% as good. Okay, so once you have Firefox downloaded and installed, open a new tab, go to the top left corner and click on this puzzle piece icon. Select Discover Extensions, go to the little search box thingy and type uBlock Origin. Click on this one, make sure it's got the same logo and says uBlock Origin because there are imitators out there and they are not the same. And click Add to Firefox. Don't click and drag the button like I just did. Just click it like a normal person. Now, even with my glacial internet speeds, it downloads almost instantly. Click OK, and there you go. It's literally that simple. You now have an ad-free browsing experience. Okay, here's how to do the exact same thing on mobile, specifically Android, though the same thing should work for an iPhone. So the first thing you have to do is go to the Play Store, click Search, and type Firefox. Now, I've already got Firefox installed, but if you don't, and most people probably won't, you just have to click install here and wait for it to download. Once it's downloaded, open it up, go to the 3 dots in the upper right corner and click on extensions. As you can see, I've already got uBlock Origin here installed, but you're going to need to scroll down to the bottom, click find more extensions, and search for uBlock Origin. And then here there's going to be a button that says install or add to Firefox or whatever. I've already got it, so it says remove, but you just want to do that and boom, done and dusted. Your ad-free experience begins today. Go enjoy it. Oh, that sounded like a line from an advert. Creepy.